Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick Foy, the director of the Tailbone Pain Center at www.tailbonedoctor.com. And in this short video, we're just going to answer the question that many people with tailbone pain ask, which is, for some of them, why is their tailbone pain worse when they're sitting on a soft surface rather than while they're sitting on a hard surface? So this is not true for everybody, but a significant percentage of patients with tailbone pain will find that sitting on a soft surface is actually more painful at the tailbone. Now we might think, well, shouldn't soft surfaces be more cushioned and more comfortable? And I'll show you why at the tailbone that's not always the case, and why it can actually sometimes be more problematic on a soft surface. So this is just a plastic anatomic model of the pelvis here, and this is looking at the back view of the pelvis. And here is the sacrum, and then down below that, this area right here is the tailbone. So right down there, okay? Now, here I'm going to simulate sitting on a soft surface. So here we go, sitting down onto a soft surface. You can see what happens is that the pelvis sinks into the soft surface. So the other sit bones, which are basically down at the bottom of each of the buttocks, there are these sit bones. I'm showing here on one side, but the same is true on the other side here. Those sit bones actually, push down into the cushion. So the body weight pushes it down into the cushion, and then the tailbone actually makes contact, with the cushion. Now compare that with what happens when we're sitting not on a soft surface, but on a hard surface. So here we're going to look at what happens sitting onto a hard surface. Basically what happens now is that the tailbone, you can see, is elevated. So while the sit bones are pressing onto the harder surface, they're not pushing into the sitting surface. In fact, I'll show a side view here. You can see that the sit bones are actually sort of protecting the tailbone. There's some space there beneath the tailbone, which was not true over here, when we sat down onto a cushioned surface. So this is the reason why pain at the tailbone actually can be worse while sitting on a soft surface rather than on a hard surface. For more information on tailbone pain, you can, or to come and see me for a visit, you can go to my website, which is tailbonedoctor.com. Or for my book on tailbone pain, you can go to www.tailbonepainbook.com. Thank you.